We live in a world where short videos are everywhere, from TikTok to YouTube Shorts to Instagram Reels. These bite sized pieces of content have become a part of our daily lives. We use them to stay informed, to be entertained, and to connect with others. However, as we spend more and more time watching these videos, it's important that we ask ourselves, what impact are they having on our brains?
For the past few years, TikTok has been the fastest growing social media platform in the world. It currently boasts around 1 billion active users.
These videos, which are often less than a minute in length, have been shown to have a significant impact on the way our brains process information. One of the key ways in which short videos are impacting our brains is by altering the way we consume and process information. Traditional forms of media, such as books and long-form articles and others, require a certain level of focus and attention in order to fully understand and retain the information being presented. In contrast, a study found that short videos tend to have higher level of consumer engagement as they are more easily digestible and can be consumed quickly. Another study, the effect of video content on cognitive load, emotion, and persuasion, suggested and found that the short videos can be more effective at capturing attention and evoking emotion than longer videos. It also found that short videos are more likely to be shared and viewed multiple times. Studies have shown that short videos can have both positive as well as negative impact on our mental and cognitive health. On one hand, they can provide us with quick and easy source of entertainment and information. On the other, they can be addictive and have a negative impact on our attention span and memory. In this video, we will take a closer look at the impact of short videos on our brains and explore the potential risks and benefits. One of the most commonly cited negative effects of short videos is their impact on attention span and memory. According to a research study published in the Journal of Cyberpsychology, Behavior and Social Networking, researchers found that people who spend more time watching short videos on social media tend to have a harder time focusing on a single task for an extended period of time. They have also a lower retention rate when it comes to information they have consumed. This study found that constant distractions and interruptions caused by digital media, including short videos, can negatively impact our ability to focus and remember information. Constant stimulation of short videos can lead to an overactive reward system in the brain, which can lead to addiction-like behavior. This is because short videos are designed to be engaging, keep us coming back for more and more. They use variety of techniques, such as bright colors, fast-paced editing, catchy music, to capture our attention and hold it as long as possible. As a result, we may find ourselves spending more and more time watching short videos, even though we should be doing something else. We should be doing other things. Another study found that increased use of social media, including short videos, was associated with increased rates of depression and anxiety among young adults. When you look in the mirror and you are dissatisfied, you are not alone. An international study has shown that 56% of women and 43% of men are dissatisfied with their appearance. But why is it so hard to love your own body? A major component of this is self-objectification, which is when you compare your body to someone else's based on the body types you are surrounded by. And in the age of social media, it's much more complicated to accept one's own body. Short videos have an impact on our body image concerns, particularly among young girls and women. According to a study published in the International Journal of Eating Disorders, researchers found that social media use, including watching short videos, is associated with increased body dissatisfaction, disordered eating, and lower self-esteem. This is because many short videos feature idealized images of beauty and body types. constant exposure to perfectly sculpted bodies and faces alter our vision to perceive them as normal and us as abnormal. These images can be particularly harmful to young people who are still developing their sense of self and who may be more susceptible to messages they see online. This was demonstrated in a 2017 study where participants looked at images of a slim body and then images of an average body. The participants described the average body as more corpulent than in reality. Additionally, the pressure to create and share perfect images of themselves can lead to feeling of inadequacy and insecurity. But what can be done? The most important thing is to unfollow influencers, people, or media who promote unattainable bodies every day, because what you see has a very strong impact on the image you have of your body. Also, understanding how people Photoshop their bodies to attain the unattainable body shapes can help you a lot with your collectivist perspective and ultimately help you feel more comfortable with your body. Short videos can also have an impact on our emotions. According to a study published in the Journal of Social and Clinical Psychology, researchers found that heavy social media use, including watching short videos, is associated with an increasing feeling of loneliness and depression. This is because social media can create a false sense of connection and make you feel left out when you see others having fun without you, commonly known as FOMO, fear of missing out. Additionally, constantly comparing ourselves to others can lead to feeling of inadequacy and low self-esteem. A study by Ofcom found that social media, including short videos, are impacting young people's behavior and attitudes. It found that while social media can have positive effects such as increased social connections, it can also have negative effects such as increased feeling of pressure and isolation. We have to choose our models wisely. We also have to know when the model is inflaming us with a desire for something that's going to bring a real fulfillment, or whether it's going to bring a dopamine hit, or allow us to fantasize about a life that we will probably never have. And if we did have it, it would probably make us miserable. While the negative effects of short videos are well documented, it's important to remember that they can also have a positive impact on our lives. Short videos can be used as a tool for self-expression, creativity, and connection. Musicians, for example, have used short videos to connect with fans all over the world, share their music, and build a following. Similarly, short videos can be used to raise awareness about important social and political issues and to mobilize people to take action. Short videos are impacting our brain in more ways than we can understand. From altering the way we consume and process information, to changing the way we communicate and impacting our attention spans and technology interaction, it's important for people to be aware of these impacts, to make conscious choices about how they consume and interact with short videos.